Hey guys, today, okay guys, we're gonna make a video to a
And
Brookhaven
this
story.
is our story.
And okay, wait,
And
guys, we are gonna make a video, and the video is gonna start now.
okay, time to get breakfast, little baby. Oh, first.
This
Okay, time to eat.
spoiler alert: the mom is my bestie Aubrey, and I am the little baby. Spoiler alert. Paano ko?
Washing hands.
Mama.
Baby, okay, wait, I need to get your milk.
Okay, mama.
I'm getting your milk. Here you go. Ay, hindi ko... Baby, just stand up.
Okay. Wait lang.
Stand up to the table.
Give me ma. Oh,
Just stand in the table.
on the table.
Stand in the table. Stand in the table.
Wait, wait, wait. Wait, mama. This is my first time. I don't have good ears. Mama. Yummy.
Okay, time to go shower time.
Paano rin tayo equip? Okay, mommy. Where's the bathroom?
We're going to take everything you want.
Yeah.
Where's the bathroom? Okay, this is where the bathroom. Oh, that was the wrong.
Mama, what is that?
What is that? There's a hacker.
What the heck? My
Today we're not.
ears! Huh?
There's a hacker, I think, baby. Let's hide. Maybe it's a skinwalker. Hide, die. Korean. Maybe it's a skinwalker. Hide in the roof.
No, where you
No,
go?
baby.
I already...
Unlock mo.
Ha? Hindi ko maano!
Unlock mo.
Wait lang, hindi ako makagalaw be. Wait lang.
Baby, it's a skinwalker. Hurry up. Let's go.
Hang on. Mama.
What?
Miss killed.
There's no much time. It's a skinwalker. It will be safe forever. This ladder kind of sucks. Okay, good. Here at the ladder. Baby,
No.
we're at the roof. Be careful, don't fall. Let's make a house.
Okay, mommy. Now we live here because there's a skinwalker.
Skinwalker. Maybe this is the safest. Good. Baby, come in.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, I will get so many foods. Here, so many milk. There's so many milk here.
Yum, mommy.
We need to be safe forever.
Woo! Yummy! Nam nam nam.
Wait, naglagay ako ng so many pagkain. Wait, 7 years pa ito.
ID 7 years old na ako. Wait lang. Kailangan pala ako yung malaki.
Hindi pa ito 7 years.
Ay talaga?
Wait, hindi pa 7 years.
Kunwari pinalitan mo daw ako ng damit.
Yeah. Wait, marami tayo damit ni Pac. Wait, safe tayo forever dito. Kasi meron ng cage. Maybe we're safe.
Okay.
Maybe sit. Wait, I have an idea. This is the safest. Okay, it's the safest now. Maybe it's safe. It's really safe now.
Okay.
Maybe don't be scared. We're really safe. Maybe where are you?
I'm just here sitting down. I'm just here sitting down.
Okay, we're gonna sit. When they started, get your. Korean, you know what this means.
My what?
Get your barrel out.
Ew!
Okay, when it's nighttime, time to kill them.
Because nighttime is when they get stronger.
Yes. Time to go ready. Baby, just get ready now.
Wait, I am finding a good barrel. Since I am just a kid, so this is my barrel.
Get ready. Corinne, look.
Ayo! I'm scared, mommy.
It's okay. That will be ready to nighttime.
Okay.
It's okay. Maybe it's okay. We have a safe place.
Disclaimer: this video will end in 15 minutes. Oh, disclaimer: this video will end in 15 minutes or less, or under.
Maybe this will be some more safest. Okay, will we be safe? When I said safe, we are safe.
Ah!
You're safe.
I just can't
Baby,
wait
we're
into
safe.
the building.
Look.
There's no way anymore. Okay.
Baby, look. We're safe.
Oh my god.
I need to pack lasers.
Dwinky. Yum.
I will pack lasers.
I'm gonna watch on my iPad on how to kill skinwalkers. Wait lang. I'm watching. How do I kill skinwalkers? Let's watch YouTube.
Baby, I thought you're watching how to kill skinwalkers.
Yes, I am finding where's the app YouTube so I can watch it. Oh, there it is. Quick. Boop. First up, you need a weapon. If you use a sword, then you will die instantly. Oh my god, I am not using that. So it looks like If you use a gun, any color, any size, it's fine. Also, you can also use you can also use. Oh, it looks like you can also. You also need millions of several ammo. Okay.
We did not pack ako ng millions scrap ammo.
Nah, I already got a lot of ammo.
Baby, get ready. Get ready. Look at the time.
Time again.
Get ready. We're safe.
I'm gonna hunt down Skinwalker because there are some Skinwalkers in the ocean.
I see a monster water. Baby, are you ready?
I'm reloading.
Baby, where are you?
I'm outside.
Okay, we can survive 1,000 days here.
But what in 99 nights ito? But
Okay.
Mommy, this looks like 99 nights.
Yes, it's real life.
Holy!
Okay, good. What? Freaking rifle ito. At saka sa'yo ay ray gun. Ay, freaking laser cannon ito. At saka sa'yo ay ray gun.
Okay, we got a ray gun here. Wow!
I got a laser cannon.
Why is this so scary and fun? Wait, guys.
Maybe when it's night, the cultists will be here. Let's go to our base.
Like and subscribe for part 2.